Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for getting engaged in my channel. So if y'all are new in this channel, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This AI can alter photos to present humans distinct expressions or extra d their age. And are you able to inform which of these is of actual character? I can create faces so practical that humans cannot often inform the difference. AI and robots have a few tremendous new skills. And that they factor to a hidden motive why Musk offered Twitter. Look how nicely this AI explains complicated jokes. I assume I apprehend why me and my associate are the sort of appropriate healthy. I get excited once I order meals and become terrific alert while the doorbell rings. My female friend Shelley turns into ecstatic while she sees a character who she simply noticed 5 hours ago. This funny story is ready. Dogs get excited after they order meals. And while the doorbell rings, the female friend is happy to look someone she simply noticed 5 hours ago. That is a trait of dogs. It comes toward human level intelligence than GPT-3, which changed into already beating human beings on Welkman expertise and sad analogies. Another tremendous new AI changed into asked to attract a bowl of soup that seems like a monster knitted out of wool. OpenAI's DAL 2 can create pictures from textual content descriptions like teddy bears, blending glowing chemical substances as mad scientists, a cola undergo dunking a basketball, or my favorite, a raccoon running late into the nighttime creating a shore as he realizes his today's e-book is an audible nice seller. Through deep getting to know, the AI knows items and the connection among them. So in case you ask DAL to create an image of a cola driving a motorcycle, it can do this and create infinite variations. You also can ask for edits, like converting a hairstyle. Just pick out the vicinity and describe what you want. It can vicinity items in pictures, information, shadows, reflections and textures. For example, it acknowledges this as water and applies reflections. An artist stated the AI is higher than human artists in nearly each field, growing artwork in seconds, in heaps of patterns. He stated the AI is able to artwork and lay out excellent that 99% of human beings will in no way achieve, and he believes most expert artists are approximately to lose their jobs. Human faces had been eliminated from its training in order that they could not be used for disinformation. DAL's skilled on tens of thousands and thousands of pictures and captions from the internet, and it ought to be amusing to apply quick, growing and editing artwork with non-talent. Earlier ACE can already be used through apps like Wambo's Dream, which creates pictures primarily based totally on your descriptions, and the backgrounds for this comedian had been created with comparable AI. OpenAI is running on protection issues earlier than liberating it extra widely. There also are a few impressive new ACE with extra slender skills. They can carry pics to lifestyles like this. One from 1875, referred to as the Mona Lisa of the Pacific Islands. Here's President Lincoln colorized and made younger. AI is likewise enhancing realism in movies and converting the manner they may be made. Green displays are being changed with LED displays, growing practical reflections and colorings at the actors. Familiar lighting fixtures patterns could make a scene sense a chunk faux and extra natural. Light and reflections can make a massive difference. As the digital digica moves, the LED history updates to healthy it, and the history also can flow extra quick to create a feel of depth. An AI could make brilliant edits, like including plants to this dress, which wrinkle with the cloth, or absolutely converting the putting of a scene. Animatronics also are advancing, like this impressively bendy large hand. This AI can take pictures of a vicinity and fill with inside the gaps to create a 3D environment. This vicinity of San Francisco changed into recreated with pics. AI like this could be used to recreate the sector with inside the metaverse. And this AI from MIT can take a voice recording and display roughly what the character seems like. There also are a few impressive new professional robots. This one makes use of magnetic tracks to hold to walls, cleansing in a completely satisfying manner, and this one makes use of non-stop suction to hold on Other machines allow one character to do the activity of many. This one works for Europe's largest pumpkin producer, and this system is amassing oranges, normally quicker than human beings. Everything is regularly being automated. Look at the dimensions of this potato harvester. And robots also are taking new forms. This ibex robotic is designed to carry humans and device over rough terrain and to roll on roads. And this cheetah from MIT has learned to address limitations instead of tripping over them. It's smooth to chuckle at this one, however it is of intricate talent to master. And this system mimics a chameleon's tongue to understand small items. A new tender robotic can flow round inside your frame to seize things that should not be there. It might be a lifesaver for youngsters who swallow batteries. And of course, robots can get toward animals. Here a gorilla's gambling with a robotic. He knocks it over and appears a chunk guilty. And this mother wolf peed on a robotic, so it changed into common through the pack. Boston Dynamics robotic spot is patrolling Pompeii as a protection guard, and robotic fingers are getting to know to play instruments, trying out their precision. But autopilot has additionally been credited with heading off lots of crashes. Look how quick it reacts. This year, Tesla will do away with radar sensors for brand spanking new motors to cognizance on its imaginative and prescient primarily based totally machine supported through 12 ultrasonic sensors. Radar can see three things, like fog and snow, in which cameras cannot, so putting off them indicates a lot of self-belief with inside the AI. There also are masses of amusing courses in math, technology, and computer technology to get began out for free. Visit brilliant.org digital engine or click the hyperlink with inside the description, and the first 200 humans gets 20% off Brilliant's annual top rate subscription. Thanks. So, after all, we have come to the end of this video. Write down in comments which one is your favorite and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you all in the next video. Till stay tuned.